You know how most phones brands don't shy away from taking a little inspiration from others. Well, this time Tecno actually nailed it because the Tecno Spark Slim feels like I'd call an affordable iPhone Air. Before you roll your eyes, hear me out. If you are going to take notes from a better product, at least copy the good parts. And in this case, Tecno borrowed the right inspiration. That sleek, ultra-thin design that just looks and feels premium. At just 5.93mm, Tecno calls this the world's slimmest 3D curved smartphone. And honestly, it feels premium, not like your typical budget device. It's light, elegant, and surprisingly sturdy for something this thin. And the best part, you are getting this for just 29,000 Kenyan shillings, making it one of the most stylish phone you can get at this price. Inside the box, you get your standard accessories, a USB-C cable, SIM ejector tool, a slim clear case, and a user manual. But honestly, the case feels unnecessary. Adding it takes away the phone's main charm. It's slimless. Now, let's talk about the design. The backside is made of fiberglass, which feels smooth like frosted grass, not the cheap plastic we often see on our budget phones. I also love how the back curves seamlessly into the steel frame. No sharp edges or awkward lines, just a clean, comfortable build. On the right side, you get your volume and power buttons, while up top sits an IR blaster and a secondary speaker. At the bottom, there is a USB-C port, a mic, and the main speaker. The phone supports dual SIM, but unfortunately, there is no expandable storage this time. However, Tecno included a Dolby Atmos dual speakers, which is quite impressive for this category. Moving on to the battery, Tecno deserves some serious credits here. The Spark Slim packs a 5160 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging, and Tecno claims it can go from 0 to 100% in under an hour. What's more impressive is the battery durability. It retains up to 80% of its capacity even after 1800 full charge cycles, which translates to about 5 years of daily use. There is no wireless charging, but you do get 10 watts reverse wired charging, so you can top other devices if needed. Despite being so thin, the phone still comes with an IP54 dust and splash resistance, giving you some protection against the elements. Now, let's talk about the display. Because Tecno didn't cut corners here, you are getting a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED panel with 1.5K resolution, 144Hz adaptive refresh rate, and a peak brightness of up to 4500 nits in HDR mode. Even outdoor, it comfortably hits around 1600 nits, making it easily visible under harsh sunlight. It's also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, which Tecno says is twice strong as the Gorilla Glass 5. There is even a feature called Wet Touch, which allows the screen to respond even when your hands are damp, something you don't see every day. When it comes to performance, though, this is where you'll start to see Tecno's trade-off. The Spark Slim runs on the MediaTek Helio G200 paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. For casual users, it handles daily tasks like social media, web browsing, and light gaming just fine, but don't expect it to fully utilize that 144Hz refresh rate. Animation and transition feel closer to 90Hz most of the time. It's not slow by any means, but if you are coming from a mid-range or flagship phone, you'll notice the difference. For entry users though, it's a nice step up in smooth and responsiveness. On the camera side, Tecno kept things simple. You get a 50 megapixel main camera at the back and a 13 megapixel selfie camera on the front, and there is no ultra wide lens or telephoto lens here, and video recording maxes out at 2K at 30 frames per second for both cameras. If you drop the resolution to 1080, you'll get some electronic stabilization. Despite the limited setup, Tecno added a fun touch with its mood light design, a ring of LEDs around the camera module that light up for notification, calls or charging. It's a small detail, but it gives the phone some personality. Overall, using the Tecno Spark Slim feels refreshing in the budget phone world. Design is often the last thing manufacturers care about, but Tecno flipped that script. The Spark Slim doesn't just look premium, it feels premium. It's incredibly light, easy to hold, and slip effortlessly into your pocket. The curved glass slim profile and matte black give it a sense of sophistication rarely found in this price range. Sure, performance isn't the strongest point and the camera are just average, but if you value thinness and comfort, this phone stands out from the crowd. In short, Tecno has created what feels like an affordable iPhone Air, and I mean that in the best way possible. For around 29,000 Kenya shilling, you are getting a phone that looks and feels far more expensive than it is, and it's one of the most interesting budget release of 2025. Not because it's the fastest and most powerful, but because it delivers something rare, premium design at a budget price. So, what do you think? Should brands start focusing on ultra-thin phones again, or do you prefer thicker phones with bigger batteries and more power? Let me know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more tech content right here on SkyTech TV. See you in my next video. Bye.